Okay, could you just imagine, though? The rain comes, and it doesn't matter what's going on in the world. Somebody is like, it's time for war. You know what I mean? Like, it's just dust that's been picked up, and somebody is like, it's war. Here it is.
You'd be part of the people who are like, it's a Cold War, and everybody else is like, everybody
we're gonna die.
We're all, this is it. This is end times.
Yep. So modern research has focused on analyzing the chemical and biological content of blood rain. In many cases, scientists have found that the red coloration comes not just from dust, but also the presence of iron oxide.